So moving on to question number 31, we can now first read the question. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Chemical leavening agents use carbon dioxide to be released within a liquid batter, making the batter rise as it bakes. Baking soda and baking powder are chemical leavening agents. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate. To produce carbon dioxide, baking soda needs to be mixed with liquid and an acidic ingredient such as honey. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and an acid. To produce carbon dioxide, baking powder needs to be mixed with liquid but not with an acidic ingredient. Now, what do we have to do in this question? The student wants to emphasize, he wants to emphasize a difference between baking soda and baking powder. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? So we can clearly see that this part and this part, the second and the fourth point, that shows the difference. Baking soda needs to be mixed with liquid and an acidic ingredient such as honey, whereas baking powder needs to be just mixed with a liquid but not with an acidic ingredient. So let's look at the answer choices. A. To make batters rise, bakers use chemical leavening agents such as baking soda and baking powder. So A is incorrect because this sentence is just focusing on what bakers use to make batters rise. It doesn't emphasize the difference between baking soda and baking powder, so that can't be. B is also incorrect because this sentence provides a general description of baking soda and baking powder. It's just telling that baking soda and baking powder are chemical leavening agents. It doesn't emphasize the difference between them. And C is incorrect. The sentence explains what baking soda and honey are. It doesn't emphasize the difference between baking soda and baking powder. Whereas D is the best answer because it clearly tells the difference. To produce carbon dioxide within a liquid batter, baking soda needs to be mixed with an acidic ingredient, whereas baking powder does not. So this was quite easy.